I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files for free. Say for instance you got 2, 3, 4, 5 different documents you want to put on one PDF file. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just go to the website and put how to merge PDF files. Once you do that, go and find this right here where it says www.viewpdf.com. Click on that. And what you want to do, it says to merge combined PDF files. You go to your files, which I got right here, and I'm going to do these 6. It may take a while, so I'm going to just speed it up. And you click on these, you drag them, and you drop it. And what it's doing is converting it and putting it into one PDF file. So it's doing it pretty quickly here. I'm surprised because I don't have a good internet connection here. I'm here in my RV and I'm running off a hotspot. So I'm letting it run as usual. I thought it would take longer, but it's not. So maybe you want to do this one-time thing, or maybe you don't. So once you're done, you hit merge now. And what it's doing is merging these documents. Okay, once it's finished, you can hit this right here. It says download merge file here. So once you click it, it's going to download it into your download files, or whatever file you got it defaulted to. And mine is to my download folder. So once the download is finished, and it's almost done, you see it right here. It's giving you the speed. So once it's finished, it's downloaded to my download folder on my computer. This is what it's going to look like right here. It's giving you a view of it. So let's go down to my download file folder. So this is my download folder. There you go, right there. And we're going to open it. Now these files are put into one folder. I had 6 of them, so that's a total of 6. So that's it, and you can just click here slowly and rename it. We'll just say files, and you're done. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.